Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to integrate Pipedrive with Zapier. First of all you have to do is open Zapier website and sign in with your account and click on Zap. On this page you have to select Trigger. From here you have to search for Pipedrive. You have to click on Pipedrive. From here you can trigger any event. For example, new activity, new deal. For example, if a new deal has occurred in the Pipedrive, this Zap will start to automate, and you have to sign in with your Pipedrive account and connect your Pipedrive account by clicking on the sign in button. Once you've done all the steps, all you have to do is click on action. From here you have a bunch of, you can say a lot of automations that you can try. For example, I can try it on Google Sheets. If I select Google Sheets, I can choose any event. For example, if a new deal comes to Pipedrive, what I will do, I will update my spreadsheet row, and my event has been selected. I have to connect my Google account or Google Sheets account on this section, and I have to click on continue. And you can change from Google Sheets to any other. For example, if I change the connection, you can change it to Gmail, you can change it to Google Slides, you can change it to YouTube. You can do basically a bunch of things with this automation, and that's how you can integrate your Pipedrive with Zapier. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.